morning, everybody. So I'm going to do a quick seed haul video for you. I've been really bad with doing them, but it's going to be really quick. So I'm going to time myself and see how long it takes me to get this video done from start to finish. So hang on, it's a little shaky right now. Okay, so first things first, I got from Outside Pride. It is Pasque flower. It's Anemone, Pulsolita, Vulgaris red. I'm going to be winter sowing that. Then I got some Penstemon. It's called Arabesque Appleblossom. This is an annual. I'm trying to figure out whether or not that's a hardy annual, because, well, actually it says USDA zones 7 through 9, so I should be able to winter sow that. And then I got some Cup and Saucer Vine. It's a mix of purple and white, and so that is winter hardy zones 9 through 11, which I'm not, so I'm gonna have to probably wait on that a little bit. And then I did some, it's called Tricolor Amaranthus, and this is what it looks like. I'm putting this in the yellow section of the Parterre garden. I'm going to do a styling video, or I guess I should say garden design video soon. And those were from Outside Pride. Then I got some from Swallowtail seeds, and one is Candy Floss Poppy. And then I got some Wizard Velvet Red Coleus. I'm going to talk about that more in another video. Wizard, hang on for a second. It's Wizard Coral Sunrise, or Coral Sunrise Coleus. And then there's Wizard Sunset Coleus. And so the sunset is orange, the coral is like a pinky salmon. And then I got Benary Giant Lime Xenia right here. And I got a Queen Pure Orange Xenia. This is a new one. And then I got Benary Giant Wine Xenia. And then from Baker's Creek, I got Salpiglossis Black Trumpet. I think this is going to be really interesting looking. And then I got Sunflower Astra Rose Cream. I'll fill the seeds. I may try to winter sow at least some of these. I got some Marigold Kilimanjaro White. Then I got some Snail Vine. I'm really excited about this. Now this one says this is tropical, but I saw this on the Monticello shop with Tom Jefferson's Monticello, and they said this was a tender perennial, so I'm gonna go do a little bit more research. I may do a late winter sowing with this one, we'll see. Then I got this one right here that's called Kiss Me Over the Garden Gate. It's apparently it says it's a perennial. We'll see, but this is apparently a popular one in Victorian gardening. Then I got Zinnia Pink Señorita, and this is a cactus Zinnia. Then I got some Dandelion, which I'm going to winter sow. It's Japanese white. I did a pink Dandelion last year. It didn't bloom the first year, but I had to keep remembering that, oh wait, this is not a weed, don't pull it. Then I did some Gomphrena. This is Strawberry Fields. Some sites list this as being a tender perennial. Others say it's half hardy. I'm going to wait till like maybe April to start this one outside. We'll see. Then I got some, there was one more of the Baker's Creek one, but the reason I didn't talk about it, I didn't show it to you because I've already shown it to you in the Poppy winter sowing video. That was the Sissinghurst White Poppy. Then they gave me some free seeds. One is the Saint Valery Carrot. And then I have some Merlot Lettuce. So guys, that video was under 5 minutes. So those are my seeds, and I know I have 2 other seed videos that I should have already posted, hopefully. Anyway guys, that's it. So I will see you in the next video.